Okay, so now let's go back to the game board and do animation for 200. Okay, click back on your last slide that you made and press Control M, which makes a new slide. Click on the title and we'll enter animation for $200. Click the click to add text box, delete that, and we're going to make a picture. So insert clip art, and when you see results should be, make sure it says you've checked off all media types. And in the search for, type tabby and go. Okay, choose the cat, and there it is, inserted in your slide. And now insert shapes and find the oval and draw the oval around the paw, the cat's paw. And now shapes, insert shapes one more time, scroll down and find callouts. And I'm going to choose one of these callouts, the third from the left callout. You click and drag for whatever size you want. You can move it around. The yellow diamond, drag that, and you can move that closer to the cat. And right click on the bubble, choose edit text, and we'll put meow. And highlight meow, and go to the home, and we'll choose 28 for whatever size you want. Now we can close the clip art box, and in the meow, click the meow bubble and go to animations and say add animations. We're going to choose appear under the entrance category. Then right here under the animation pane, remember if the animation pane's gone, you can just click animation pane under animations. Hover over the oval callout 4, double click, and under timing, choose triggers. Choose start effect on click of, click there and choose oval 3. Press OK. Now what this does is when we click the oval, it will make the meow appear. We can try this out right now. Do Shift F5 to start from that slide, click the oval, and the meow appears. It's always good to double check the home screen too. And we might as well hyperlink the animation 200. So we'll highlight the 200, right click, hyperlink, and choose animation for 200. Okay, now back on our animation for 200 slide, I want to add another animation to meow. So we're going to say add animations, and I'm going to now under emphasis choose wave. And it'll actually appear as the top animation. So I'm going to click, hold, and drag toward all the way to the bottom. So it will happen after it appears. This is all a timeline. It'll show you what, and that's exactly what these numbers mean. This will be on the left. This will be the first thing that occurs. So it'll appear first, and then the second thing that will happen is it will wave. So now double click on that second one, on wave. Go to timing, and we can see that the trigger is still oval 3. So press OK. We can always change that trigger to be whatever we want, but I'll do Shift F5 to play. Click the oval. It'll show meow. Click the oval again. It'll make meow wave. I'll press escape to get out of that. Now I want to add a sound. So let's do insert audio arrow button. Click clip art audio, and up on search for, type cat, C-A-T, press go, choose the cute fake cat. That will give PowerPoint a few seconds. It'll add it to the animation. You can press play, and there's your cat sound. I'm going to close the clip art. Okay, you see the audio actually appears under animation pane. Double click on the sound box, and under play audio choose timing, start effect on click of. Now we're actually going to choose oval call out for meow. Press OK. Zoom out. Click on the audio icon and click and hold. Drag it all the way off the slide. I'll click the cat now. Zoom back in. The way I'm zooming is pluses and minuses here on the lower right hand corner. And now the audio icon will be off the screen, but the audio sound will still be there. One last thing, we're going to right click on the paw oval, choose format shape, and under fill slide the transparency bar all the way over to 100% and then click line color and do transparency all the way to the right to 100%. Click close. This way the paw oval will still be there, but you won't see it. And now shift F5 one more time. Here's your cat. Hover over the paw. Click. There's meow. Click the paw one more time. It waves. And then click the meow. And there's the meow sound. Now we'll do the final slide, which is animation for 300. So back to the cat slide, we'll do Control M to make a brand new slide, and we're going to title it Animation for 300. Okay, click the text box, the outside of the text box, and delete. And now we're going to insert an animation. So insert video, clip art video. And enter math, go, and choose this boy doing math. Bring him up a little bit, slide him up, click and slide. We can make it a little larger. Click the right bottom corner handle and click and hold and drag to make it a little larger. And then over on the clip art board again, under search for, type in bus, B-U-S, go, and it'll be a few clicks down, but it's this sort of 3D looking school bus. Click that. Okay, and we're going to make him larger too. And now close the clip art. And now we're going to add an animation to this bus. Add animation, scroll all the way down and choose lines. And it'll animate it, it'll give you a preview of the animation. And then after that happens, you'll see this green and red arrow line. Hover over the green and drag it all the way off the screen. And then click and drag the red one and drag it so that it kind of is over the bus. And I guess we can maybe make it more toward the center of the bus. Now go back to the animation pane and press play, and it'll actually play the animation that you've just made. It makes the school bus look like it's driving off the board. Okay, and now we're going to add another animation. It will be the line, another line. Okay, wait for it, do a preview, and then we're actually going to drag the red off the board. So now we're actually going to play, and the bus comes and the bus goes. Now, if you actually click and expand the animation plane a little bit, hover over the little yellow box under picture 3, slide, this actually will delay that animation, because this whole thing is a timeline. Watch this screen here when it plays. It'll actually go through the timeline. It does the first animation, pauses a little while, and then makes the school bus go. Now we'll add one more thing to the school bus, and that will be a sound. Okay, now we're going to insert an audio. Choose clip art audio. Type in horn, H-O-R-N, go. And we're going to scroll down a little bit and look for bus horn. Well, here it is here, bus horn twice. And click on it. Wait for PowerPoint to insert. We'll X out the clip art box. We'll play it. And notice where it placed it. On the bottom, we can actually click and drag right to the center and hover over the triangle and put it right in that delay. So now we'll zoom out of the slide, click on the audio icon and drag it all the way to the bottom so we don't see the audio. We'll click on the bus, zoom back in, and play the animation. And it will wait, it'll play the bus, and then the bus will leave. Okay, and we'll add one more item. We'll double click on the picture 3. Under the animation pane, choose timing, and under start on click, we'll choose start with previous. Press OK. This way, all the action will happen as soon as we start the school bus, as soon as we start the slide. And let's double click on the sound and do timing, and we will choose after previous. Click OK. Double click on picture 3. Under timing, we'll choose after previous. Press OK. And Shift F5. School bus comes in, honks, and the kid doing his math homework just wasn't fast enough. And you can click the animation pane and you can make the delays a little longer, the playing of the horn a little longer, and you can always watch the animation right in the editing window. There he honks, and now he's going to go. Alright, that is your Jeopardy game. Have fun.